Hi, I'm Nathan, one of the product specialists for Makita UK. I'm here today to demonstrate the DUA301 Telescopic Pole Pruner for tools for trade. The unit is powered by two 18V LXT batteries and features a powerful 36V brushless motor. It has an easy to control user interface with one setting for standard operating mode and a second setting for a boost mode, which can be used for a short period of time. The unit has a telescopic shaft which can be extended from 2.6 to 3.8 metres and clamped at any distance in between. The unit also has a 12-inch bar or 30cm bar with an automatic chain oiler and toolless free cap for topping up the chain oil reservoir. An optional accessory for the machine is the angled drive unit that sits at the end of the drive shaft between the gear head and the shaft. It offers the user the ability to angle the chainsaw head for a more comfortable position when pruning large branches. The unit comes complete with a padded double harness which clips easily around the user's middle and can be adjusted for any operative. It has wide padded double shoulder straps and a hanging hook to spread the weight of the machine more comfortably for user comfort. This hanging hook attaches comfortably into the eyelet on the machine, and then the weight is equally supported by both shoulders and away from the user's arms. Let's see it in action. Ready?
Ready.
We'll take another branch.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready.
So as you can see, a very powerful, lightweight alternative to petrol models that are on the market and made light work of even a heavy tree job. Pruning made easy by Makita.